How to get iPhone emojis on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to get iPhone emojis or iOS emojis on your Android device, you will have to install an application. Go to Play Store and then search for iOS emojis. You will get a bunch of options, different options, and you can choose any from it. As you can see, one of them is this application called iOS Emojis for Android. There are so many. You can download any of it and use it in your keyboard to get iPhone emojis on Android. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.